Hello and what's up guys, this is me Sandeep here from dgpk.com and welcome. Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my channel Sandeep and Bros. So today's topic is how to create Apple ID. Now how to create Apple ID? एक क्वेसन सोध्नु हुन्छ मलाई सोशल मिडियातिर हैन साथीहरु भेट्दा फेरि साथीहरुले अनि रिलेटिभ्सहरुले चाहिँ यो एप्सहरु डाउनलोड गर्नको लागि चाहिँ एप्पल आईडी क्रिएट गर्ने प्रोसेसहरु थाहा नपाएर धेरै दुःख पाइरहनु भा हुन्छ हैन. So that's why today I make a video for those guys who have serious problem to create Apple ID. So process easy छ हैन, about 2 to 3 minutes लाग्छ हैन. Process पनि easy छ and it's fast, simple पनि छ. So ठिको कुरिरहनु, let's begin it. So now let's begin this guys. So currently I'm running ISO 11.1.2 but this is not the latest version. The latest version is ISO 11.2.5. This is recently coming and I did not update my phone. So let's concentrate our main business. At first just go to the iTunes of App Store, and if you have already a old Apple ID, just sign out that one, and after that just back up, go to the App Store, so after that just go to some random apps. So in ISO 11 the feature and the looks is totally different, and I think this is really amazing than before. So I suggest you guys to update your phone and get the latest iOS. Actually Apple is providing the ISO 11 to the iPhone 6, 6s and 6s Plus. And if you have an iPhone 4 or 5, then you can't download ISO 11 and you can update it. So to create an Apple ID, just go to some random apps, go and get. They ask for use existing Apple ID or create new Apple ID. Click create new Apple ID. Email. Password. Password. After that you need to select a country over here. Where is country? Of course Nepal. Agree to term and condition, click next. I think this email I have already had a old Apple ID, so I just want to use 11. Okay, after that select Mr. name. Security question. During creating Apple ID, they ask of 3 major questions and you have to answer that. And I kindly request you guys, do not forget this answer, because whenever you want to reset your password, or when you forget your password, or when you want to change the password, at that time they ask a security question, and if you did not able to give the answer, then you can't change your password. So I suggest you to remember this answer and just put a real, and of course just put a real answer over here. And question is, what was the name of your first pet? James. Dreams up. YouTuber. Parents meet. In which city did your parents meet? Let's say KTM. Apple updates. After that, click next. So this is a tricky part over here, and if you have a Visa, MasterCard, Amex, then you can put this thing, and if you did not have any of this, then click none. After that, billing address Kathmandu, street Swayambhu, city KTM, country Nepal, and zip code. Generally Kathmandu postal code is 44600, but the Apple ID did not take this zip code, that's why you have to put one more digit over here. After that, phone number, use some random phone number over here. After that, click next. So we have run into problem. Please try again. Okay, send code. They sent a code in our email address. Just go to your Gmail account, gmail.com. Verify your Apple ID email address. They sent a code over here. Sometimes you did not receive a code. At that time, just click this button, request a new code, and just check again in your email address. Click verify. Okay, Apple ID is completed, and you can use all access of Apple services. So after that, now our Apple ID is ready. So after that, click some random apps to use those apps. After that, type the email address and password. Bring it on. So now it's ready. Now you can install any apps from here. Just click install. Now your Apple ID is ready to use. Not now. Okay, now here is it. Now it is start downloading, and yeah, this is totally fine. This works totally good, and of course this is a really easy way. So, and I suggest one more things to you guys. In every Apple device there is a note. Just go to the note, and in note just save your email address and security question. When we forget our security question at that time, we had a very serious trouble, and we have to create Apple ID once again. So that was a problem. So that's why I suggest you guys to keep your things in Notepad, and this is a really easy Notepad, and of course I love to use Notepad. And that was done, my friend. And if you find this video really helpful, then give me some subscribe, and of course leave a comment down there. And thank you so much for your time. So that's it, guys. So my apps is now downloading, and so let's open. Oh shit, let's open it. भनेको त फेसबुक खोले त यार एकछिन हेरिदिइहालौँ नि त खासै नोटिफिकेसन त के वाट के हो यो Oh shit, fuck up. Oh shit. Oh, look at that. Oh. Actually guys, she is my CRUSH crush. मैले माया गर्छु उसले चाहिँ बाल दिन्न खै आज कसरी फ्रेन्ड रिक्वेस्ट पठाए मलाई पनि थाहा छैन Oh, thank you so much guys for watching and have a very good day. Thank you so much.